interesting.
Photography to a whole new level.
One of the best cameras I have seen, that's for sure.
I like the design.
The main feature which you see is the quad camera setup. It has a built-in gimbal system.
An actual mechanical device that fits onto your camera in order to give you the smoothest footage.
One of the most feature-packed camera phones that I've come across in 2020.
The gimbal tech Connect With You Pro has been absolutely amazing to have.
I think Vivo is making some great strides into the smartphone game.
The kind of innovation they've been able to put into this is also quite amazing.
Compared to most phones, which if you try walking around with and recording video at night, they will blur, this doesn't.
See it shrink in scale to fit inside of a smartphone is pretty cool.
This is a camera-focused phone and Vivo shows it off beautifully.
Vivo, hats off.
Vivo.